Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Ponytail, and today I would like to show you how I did this ponytail. Just a sweet look, and I was tired of what I'm wearing normally, so it does not look that long and I don't have my middle parting because it just won't stay in place. So before I style my hair, I always brush it through. Then I parted the front hair by just sectioning off from the middle parting until right over my ear. I'm clipping this part away. Then I do the same thing on the other side. I had some problems to get a neat line, so it's more or less this what I take. Now I'm just using some water to spray down all the flyaways. This looks super intelligent. Very pretty. This is how I just tie it with a scrunchie in the front to have it out of the way. And now I'm going to start to make in the middle of the head my first little ponytail. I want to have the effect that my final ponytail looks longer, and this is why I do not take all the hair in one sub. And you will also see what I'm doing with the front hair later, using these different ponytails. This is the first one. Clip it away. Then take the hair from the middle and make your second ponytail. Clip it away. I'm using tiny elastics to show them less. And then I do one right down, and you see now these ponytails have different length, so it has a bit waterfall effect or layered effect. From the front hair, I'm taking now the thirds from the side, so it's 1/3 from the right, 1/3 from the left, and the middle, more or less, right? Trying always to do neat lines. What on my hair is extremely difficult. I don't know why. It's some rebellic. It doesn't want to stay in a neat line. I'm clipping this hair away too, and now I'm taking the side section from the left hand side, and I'm using my wax stick to sleek it down, and I'm combining the side with the top ponytail. So take a tiny elastic and attach the strand from the side after you brought down flyaways and you like the result to the first ponytail on the top. And I'm always coming with my hair tie from the side where the hair goes. So I started here to bring around the tiny elastic from my left hand side. Now I'm doing the middle parting with the rest of the hair, and I'm bringing it also neatly backwards and combing it down to the second ponytail. And like this, you see the hair tie comes from the right hand side where the hair comes from. And like this, the middle parting won't move during the whole day. I clipped the first ponytail to the side for not having it in my way. And now I'm bringing down the left hand side from the middle hair. And I also attach it to the middle ponytail. Now I brought down the first ponytail, and I'm just hiding the first one with a strand of hair using my topsy tail tool, and I'm done. Because I have two more ponytails under the first one, this gives a bit more volume, and I don't know what you think, but I have the sensation the ponytail looks longer. Even I have the sensation of a high ponytail. This is the final result. I'm just using some hairspray. Make sure that all flyaways are attached to my hair, not moving during the day, not even in humid Mallorca. If you're new on our channel, please be so kind and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified, and come back here. We are uploading 1 to 2 videos every week. this is the final result. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this ponytail. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.